Hello guys, I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers today. Yeah, I don't know where the sound went for this. Let me see. And yep, there we go. Got the sound on. So let's go. So what you're trying to do is run away from the police, collect as many coins as possible, and reach your high score. And the coins are for like new hoverboards like this, like surfing, so you can surf. It's a really fun game, and if you don't have it, check it out. And so, yeah, it's really fun. Woo! 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 Yeah, you gotta dodge all the trains. It's kind of scary. This item doubles your coins, so you get like double times the coins. Okay, it's a really fun game. Okay, let's do this. I'm just collecting as many coins as I can. This collects like all the coins for you, like doo. Okay, we're on a boardwalk. I don't know why. Oh my gosh. I can't save myself. Oh. One head start. Double up? What is double up? I shouldn't have pressed that. Okay. Some freakish ad. But I like the music though. Yeah. But then it's some freakish ad that they just put on here. Yeah. Sunken secrets. Yeah, no thanks. I think I'm fine with all the apps that I have. Yeah, I got 2. Let's play this again. Woo! Whoa. Now I know why they call it the head start. Like, whoa. Whoa. That was awesome. Do I get another head start? Look at these lemurs, just like... Whee! Like a ninja. Speaking of ninja, there is a ninja. Woo! Man, I went so high. I went so high, I touched the sky. Yeah, this game is very addicting. But yeah, I guess, yeah, it's very addicting. I played it a lot. I kind of stumbled up there, but I have to just keep on going and keep on going, keep on going. Don't lose your balance, don't lose your balance. And let's do this, let's do this, let's do this, let's do it. Oh. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed my video, and bye.